This Thursday, the urban police and the Mossos d'Esquadra arrested a man for sexually assaulting a municipal cleaning worker for the Barcelona City Council in the Clot neighborhood, according to Tot. Barcelona and La Vanguardia has been able to confirm. The events occurred around 6 in the morning at the intersection of Rogent and Coll Vehí streets, where the aggressor approached the victim with his pants down. The alleged aggressor groped the woman, whom he tried to take off her clothes, and even threw her to the ground. The screams of the woman, who was alone at the time of the attack, alerted other cleaning colleagues and neighbors in the area. In the presence of local residents, the perpetrator fled. The agents arrived and asked for a description of the attacker. The patrols located him and later detained him on Meridiana Avenue, municipal sources explained. For its part, the Sistema d'Emergències Mèdiques, SEM, treated the victim at the scene and took her to the hospital. The woman suffered an anxiety crisis and had several bruises all over her body. The detainee would be related to 2 other crimes of sexual assault. The investigation is under the investigation unit of the Mossos d'Esquadra of Sant Martí.